hours later.
Good day, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Now lunch is over and done with. Let's get on and go for a walk. So come with me. My name's John Coachy, and this is Walking with Johnny. Definitely pretty windy out here today, that's for sure. But it's been windier. We've had windier days. Today, I guess how's it going today? So just here at my turnaround spot, doing my 10 kilometers, and sitting here, just chilling away. Got this, I don't know what this is, some kind of old farm equipment of some sort. I'm just sitting here, chilling away. Got a nice view, nice valley that we're in. Real nice valley. What you've all seen, this is the bottom end of Richards Coulee. It's not really a valley; it's tiny, you know. But it's a nice place to come and get a peace of mind, sit and relax. Here in Canada, we call them toques. Not beanies. Let's get this correct. They're toques, not beanies. Sitting here relaxing for a few minutes like I always do. Once I get here, I like to take about 5 minutes, 10 minutes just to cool down, take my coat off if I can. Sit down here. Sit down here on this tire and enjoy a coffee, which I did bring. I absolutely brought God Hub Java. Always keeps the body warm. Gives you some good energy. I like a hot coffee for going hiking. It's a nice little reward for when you get somewhere, you know, your halfway point, and then you get some warm beverage. Kind of makes it feel a little more relaxed and helps you calm down. It's good to drink water too, of course. I always bring water when you're out hiking. But a coffee? Sure. Always helps you with that cool down period when you're get to the point, your halfway point, and you're all hot and you're sweaty from walking. You might have overdressed a little bit. You might want to adjust your layers or something. So the coffee helps you to warm up your inner temperature, to not feel so chilled when you're cooling down, if that makes sense. It's 2.5 kilometers, so let's get to her. Location in and out. That's some old farm equipment here to sit on. Not too bad. Ground's a little on the rough side, but you're walking through here. You definitely gotta watch where you're walking. Just go for holes, badger holes, fox dens.